Students, are you ready with your textbook? Okay, so today's topic is top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Means today we will discuss about the runs of the players like century, half century, etc. What are you watching in this picture? This picture shows the table. Here is the name of the players and here is scores obtained by them. Like name of player Sachin scored 128 runs. Similarly, Gavaskar scored 100 runs. It means century. 99 runs scored by Dhoni. Same way, Kohli 162, Rehane 152. Here also given. Dhawan scored 178 runs. 105 runs obtained by Jadeja. Ganguly 141. Dravid 112 and Kapil Dev scored 127. Here are some questions based on the scoreboard. So let's read the question. Dhoni just missed his century. So where is Dhoni? Let's see. Dhoni scored 99 runs. So here is written Dhoni just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? So student, century is the new word for you? No, not a new word because we have discussed in previous session about the century, right? As you know that century means 100. Okay, so I am writing here 2 more runs than century is equal to how much? Means 2 more. 2 more means we have to add 2 runs. Okay, so 100 plus 2 is 102. Same way 5 less run than century. It means 5 less means we have to subtract 5 from 100. That is 95. Same way, here is written century plus half century is equal to how much? Century means 100 and half century means 50. 100 plus 50 is 150. So here is, again I am reading questions. Dhoni just missed his century because he scored only 99. Only 1 run is left to make 100. So here is written how many runs did he need to make a century? So what we say? We say only 1 run. Children, also you will write in your textbook. Okay. Let's see the another question. Here is given blanks and again blanks, scored almost equal runs. So let's see the table. Whose runs very close? So first Sachin scored 128. Okay. And here is Gavaskar 100 and Dhoni 99. So look at student here. 99 and 100. So only 1 run is a difference. So both scored very close. Okay, so also we can say Gavaskar and Dhoni scored almost equal runs. Another we can see here is written Sachin. So 128 scored by Sachin. And last you can see Kapil Dev scored 127. So here is 127 and here is 128. So they are very close. Only the difference between 128 and 127 is 1. Clear? So also we can write the name Sachin and Kapil Dev. So here I am writing as you wish student. You can write both names, any one names, Gavaskar or Dhoni or Sachin and Kapil Dev. So I am writing here Sachin and Kapil Dev, right? So I have written here Sachin and Kapil Dev scored almost equal runs. Let's see the next question. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. So easily you can see which players scored complete century. Check it. Yes, you are right, Gavaskar. So what we write here, student? Gavaskar scored complete century. Now we see the question number 4. Most runs scored by any batsman are. So we have to observe carefully all scores obtained by players. So which player scored highest run? Okay, so let's see. Here is 128, 100, 99, 162, 152, and here 178, which is the highest run, because here is only 105, here 100 only 41, 112 and 127. So we can say who scored highest run or who scored most run? Yes, Dhawan. So sorry, here what is question? Most run scored by any batsman are. So answer we will write 178. And who scored? Yes, Dhawan. Clear? Now next question. A dash and dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Means which batsman we have to compare the runs, that only difference is 1. So again we can see here is Sachin and Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev scored 127 and 128 scored by Sachin. So there are only 1 run. So we can write the name of Sachin and Kapil Dev. And second answer also you can write Gavaskar and Dhoni. Because Gavaskar scored 100 and Dhoni scored 99. So difference is only 1 run. So also we can write the name of Gavaskar and Dhoni. I am writing here Gavaskar and Dhoni. Now we see the last question. Dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. Means first we should know 1 century. Century and half century is equal to how much? I have shown you here. Century means 100 and half century is 50. It means 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. And here we have to add 2 more runs. So 150 plus 2 is 152. So which player scored 152? Let's see. Look at here. Sachin, no. Gavaskar, no. Then yes, Rehane. So Rehane scored 152 runs. So students, also you will complete in your textbook. Okay. Now we see the next page. Counting in tens. So before starting this, first we should know skip counting. So we will see in next video what is skip counting. Okay.